Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to compress PDF file and image without losing quality easily in 2025. How to compress PDF file. See, I have a PDF file in my desktop. I want to compress this PDF file. To compress, go to your browser and go to this link below in description. Click Select PDF. Select your compression level. See, the PDF file size is 255 MB. It takes few minutes to compress depending on your file size. See, compressed successfully, file size is 162 MB. How to compress image. See, I have an image in my desktop. I want to compress this image. To compress, go to your browser and go to this link below in description. Click Select Image. Select your compression level. See, compressed successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.